Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to center or center align text in a text box in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet. Now click on this text box and click this three dot option. Now select edit and double click on this text box and drag your mouse, select a specific text or press Ctrl for your keyboard, select whole text. Also drag your mouse. Now click this three dot option and click this align option. Here you will find this center align and this one middle align, and see this. Now text middle eyes and also center, and finally click save and close, and see this. The text now centerize. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.